Hi, my name is Daniel Rydstead. I'm founder of the Money Machine Dream Team, and I recently discovered the incredible vision of ORU. Uh, Many of you have heard about ORU through so many people that are making videos and advertising ORU. But what I want to talk about in this video is some of the lies and the misinformation that is going around the internet by people that are making videos about the ORU platform. First of all, before I kind of get into just a brief overview of just some of the many benefits of this platform, and I'll be honest with you, I've been in marketing from way before the internet even made the scene, and I have never seen anything so amazing as this platform in what it can do for literally anybody, whether they're a marketer or they're not a marketer. But there's a lot of misinformation that has to be addressed because a lot of people are getting confused and not understanding what this is and what this isn't. First of all, let me say this is not a business opportunity. I know that'll surprise a lot of you because a lot of people have been advertising this is a way to make, huge, big bucks. Well, there is some money that is involved, but I'll talk about that shortly. But it is not a business opportunity. It is not a way to create income. It is not an MLM program. It is not an affiliate marketing program. This is a platform that was established for the benefit of people to change their lives. The people that are getting into this program because some marketer has pitched to them that this is a way to get rich quick and this is a way to get a lot of money, they are doing a disservice to people because a lot of people that are getting in and not understanding the vision and the platform of what is being offered, they get in but they don't use all the things that are within the platform. And that's the power of everything. The founder of this foundation, I won't go into a lot of detail. You'll learn more about it when you go to a webinar that I'm going to be talking about. And when you give me a call, I can give you the behind the scenes details on this. I'm not going to go into great detail on this video. But suffice it to say, he is a very wealthy individual that has a vision to create something that can benefit every single individual. He's a man that has incredible expertise in the area of technology and development of all different kinds of things that we use in our society today. And I can tell you more about that, and you'll learn more about that in the webinar. But suffice it to say, he created this as something that can be a blessing to every single person and can change their lives. And as a whole, as this marketplace, as this platform grows to a larger and larger number of members, this can literally change the world. And you'll understand what I'm talking about when I'm able to maybe talk with you personally over the phone or whether you hear a webinar. This platform has many components. I'll tell you now that it is so inexpensive it blows my mind. This is being subsidized and you are really not having to pay anything once you understand how this benefits you, because it costs $5.95 for so many benefits. I'm only just going to touch on them. I'm not going to go into great detail. You'll learn more about them later. But this platform not only gives you benefits, but it pays you for using those parts of the platform. How many would love to have Facebook give you money when you like posts, when you comment on posts, when you upload videos? Wouldn't that be great? Well, you know that's not going to happen They take your personal data, they sell it out, and you are continually bombarded with ads on your feed, and they make billions from the people that use their platform. Well, this individual has a vision to create an absolute secure platform. And by the way, this is the core of everything. Security is so important in our world today. And the security that this individual has put in all the parts of the platform is simply amazing. Military grade security is 256 megabytes. His is what they call quantum interlace. It's 2048 megabytes. It's beyond anything that has been created worldwide. And everything in this platform is totally secure. So when you communicate in this social network that is one of the components in this system, literally everything that you post, everything that you have is totally secure. Nobody's going to sell your data. Nobody is going to advertise on your feed. There'll be no advertisements at all unless you choose there to be. But you can choose for there to be no advertisements. And in addition, you're going to get paid. This man has a unique way to create score points based on algorithms on whether you use the social platform, you use the secure encrypted email system, the encrypted chat app. And by the way, the chat app has built in something that is incredible and valuable, a video conferencing capability where you can link in family members around the world, an unlimited number of people. If you have a huge business and all those business members are part of this platform, you can do video conferencing, a whiteboard, file sharing. I mean, this is incredible. You can actually chat, whether with video or without video, and you can type in a language in English, and if you're speaking to somebody in Chinese in real time, it'll translate what you've said so that person understands. That's monumental technology. But that's just some of the many parts of this platform. There is also, I talked about the social. You create your own thing, and you basically can put whatever you want on it and invite friends to it. It's an awesome part of the thing. They have travel where you can book and you can get up to 80% discount. I mean, it varies how much you can get, but when you use it, you always get a rebate in addition to the savings that you get. So you can save on literally anything: car rentals, flights, cruises, hotels, bed and breakfast. It's an amazing part of this. And all this for $5.95. And by the way, when you're using this, you really won't be paying $5.95, because if as you use the platform, you get paid for using any part of it. If you're in the marketplace, they have a marketplace where you can they also have a prescription drug where you can save on prescription drugs. They have a marketplace where let me show you. You can buy anything and you can sell anything, and there are no fees involved, no advertising fees, no fees when you sell something like there is with eBay. This is another part of the platform. I'm not going to go into detail, but it is staggering the implications of this. There is so much here. I encourage you to get involved and use the platform. Is there a way to make money? Is there referrals? Yes, but it's not referral fees, it's not income. It is what they call residual rebates. In other words, they're going to give you back a majority of all the $5.95 is paid back to the membership of those that use the platform. So when you use the platform or you refer people to the platform, you're getting a rebate based upon the usage of yourself and the people that you refer and the people they refer. That is a whole nother area. It'll blow your mind how you can see how residually this can create income. I can understand how people can misrepresent it and kind of stress the money. Oh, you can make money and this is a business. But you need to understand that is not the goal. That is a side effect. The goal of this is to get people to use the system, to benefit from the many parts of the system, and as a result, you'll learn when you give me a call. My number is going to be down in the description area, or touch base with me. I'm also on Facebook, so if you want to connect with me and send me a personal message, please do that. And I'd like to get you connected with the webinar. Also, there is other webinars once you join with this little cost foundation, this platform. You can also go to a training webinar. Actually, it's a conference call, and a conference call with the founder, who is the one that is basically funding all this and making it possible. This man has incredible vision, and he has created something that literally will change the world. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up. I've already been talking way too much. The preacher in me is coming out, but I want to let you know that don't just believe all the hype of all the people that are out there promoting this. You need to be a part of a team. And when you join my team, you not only have access to the webinars, and I'm in touch with some of the leadership with the company, and I can keep you informed with new developments even before sometimes they even announce them. I can let you know that there are things that are exciting coming down the pike. Also, I'll be willing to do three-way calls to help you communicate this with other people, and some other ways that I'll be able to help you build your personal referral network. So with that said, I hope you have a super blessed day. Any questions that you have over what I've said, please give me a call, and I will give you the total background on everything. I can't possibly do that in a very short little video. Although this has become a little longer than I anticipated, there's so much to be said, and I don't want to try to do a presentation when the webinar will do a very complete and thorough job of informing you, and you need to get the total picture. Before you join ORU, don't just do it just because you think you're going to make a lot of money. There is a lot involved, and you will be blessed. But the important thing is to understand how you can be a part of the community, a part of the family in which we all communicate with one another in a secure environment. We all do business with one another in the marketplace. We all have benefits that are amazing, and they will continue to be amazing. This individual is going to continue to add to this platform, and he has promised that the price will never go beyond $5.95. That is amazing. Are you kidding me? This is just amazing. That's all there is to it. Okay, I'm done. Have a super blessed day. I hope to hear from you. Please contact me. Give me a call. I would love to give you the full picture on this. Thanks.